Hi everyone, Chris from Coyote Country Homestead here. We got some fairly good deals at the pallet auction this week, and so I thought I'd show those to you real quick. As you can see on this pallet here, I actually won two pallets. On the bottom part of this is I got four plate compactors, and the cool part about this is, one, I'll be able to sell them and make some money. That's always my goal. But the other part is I need a plate compactor this year, and I was looking to buy one anyway later this summer for the asphalt driveway repair that I'm working on. So now, because I got these three, I bought or four of them. I bought four of them for $635. They retail for about $480 a piece. I think I should be able to get $350 a piece. These are new in box. So I should be able to sell three of them for right at $1,000 and make a little bit of profit. And then also the best part is the one plate compactor that I get to keep for free. So, and then on top is this exercise bike that I got. I got that for right at $100. That's a $250 exercise bike. So I feel pretty confident. You know, if you're going to pay $250 plus tax online, I could probably get $200 for it. Worst case is I'd probably get $175, and I would be good with that also. Take the profit on that. Just wanted to show you that to you real quick, and I'm excited about the projects, the driveway project I'm going to be doing this summer, and it's cool to be able to get tools that I'm going to need for that at free, at no cost to me. I'll be able to make enough profit to cover that cost. So one less thing I have to buy for my project this year. That's it. Real short one. Thanks for joining us at Coyote Country Homestead, and we'll talk to you later.